All right, now let's install Ecamm Live. It's real quick and simple and easy. Keep in mind that there are some recommended requirements for Ecamm Live, and I'll put that in a document that's linked below in the description. You know, it does work on older Mac computers that are from 2015 through 2018 and 2019, all those Intel-based ones. However, we strongly do recommend that you upgrade to one of the latest M1, M2, M3 Mac computers and the new M4s that are coming out later this year. If you have any questions about which one would be best and optimal for you, just comment below, reach out, let me know what that question is, and I'll be more than happy to advise you on that information. Now let's get back to this downloading and installation of Ecamm Live. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your web browser and go to www.ecamm.com, and you can find out more information all about Ecamm Live down there. However, quickest thing, just go ahead and click on Download Ecamm Live, and the download will automatically start, and that will put that file into your downloads folder. Once the download has finished, you will notice in your downloads folder you will have an ecammlive.zip file. What you need to do next is you need to double click on that file. This will extract the contents of that one zip file, and you will see a new folder called Ecamm Live. I want you to double click on that folder and you'll see a new application file there. Now on your computer system you may not see .app or .app at the end, and that's okay. You'll see that it has the icon and it says Ecamm Live. Simply click and drag that over into your applications folder, and that will move this file over there to the applications folder. And if you want, you can go ahead and simply trash that, and then you'll be done. Now that's all it takes in order to install the application. The next thing you need to do now is to open the application. So now what we're going to do in order to open the application, we're going to go over to the applications folder. You're going to find Ecamm Live, and you can either double click on the file or right click and hit open. When you do this, it's going to prompt you to actually open the file. I want you to click on the open button, and this will launch the application, and it's going to now ask you to update some files or install some files. So you simply want to go ahead and enter your username and password into the system. You want to go over to Open System Settings. This is very, very important, so do make sure that you click on this. And then once you're there, your system settings for your Mac is going to open. I want you to look down in this section here. Remember, this is privacy and security, and you want to go ahead and click on the Allow button. And then if you have Touch ID, go ahead and do that, or enter your password for your computer system. I hope you're really enjoying this Ecamm Live Masterclass, because this has been an absolute joy for me to actually create. And the reason why is because I just love Ecamm Live, and I love the whole aspect of content creation, and I hope that you do as well. So please go ahead, leave some comments below. Let me know how you feel about this. Let me know if you have other questions about the specific topic that I'm sharing in this video. Now you can see that everything has been installed successfully in Ecamm Live. Now we just need to restart it one more time. So go ahead and click quit and reopen, and go ahead, quit. Now this is going to reboot Ecamm Live, and here we are. Ecamm Live has now been set up. And what we had done there is we've installed Ecamm Live, but in addition to that, we've actually installed the virtual camera as well as the virtual microphone. Now that we've got Ecamm Live fully set up with virtual camera and virtual microphone, next up, I'm going to show you exactly what every part means inside of Ecamm Live. So go ahead and go watch the next video in this playlist, or go ahead and click on that video link over there, and we will see you in the next video.